Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast. Yes, friends, for Capricorns, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch this reading, friends. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends, Magic Wens Tarot, because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. If you subscribe, like, and share, join us on Instagram. It's Magic Wens Tarot personal readings. Visit our website. So, friends, if you want to watch these readings in Hindi Urdu, I have already done them on my other channel. I will try to link them in the comment section so you can check from there. Let us see. Oh my god, I'll shuffle and then take. Your cards are flying, Capricorns. What's going on? Excited? Are you? Let's see the theme of the month for Capricorns. Let's see the theme of the month of January 2021. My god, your cards are flying. They are flying everywhere. What's the theme of the month? One card. Ace of Swords. Breakthroughs are coming, Capricorns. Breakthroughs you are waiting for, they are coming. New ideas, new inspirations. Blockages are being removed from your life. I also feel some relief is coming, some end of worries, some relief is coming. So January is important for you. Theme of the month of January for Capricorns. Nine of Cups, happiness is coming, friends. Yes, celebrations are coming. I also feel, friends, you are going to find relief from people who were cheating on you, or situations which were not working for you, which were not at all perfect for you. You are going to find relief from backbiting, from people, or situations not good for you. If you were feeling like cheated in life, now you can count on your happiness. Yes, happiness is coming. You can count on your luck. Some celebrations will happen for you, Capricorn, so get ready. I also feel that this is the month when you will find, you will feel more happy, you will feel more clear about what you want, Capricorns, and there is more sense of happiness, peace, and joy. So, I think December wasn't easy for you. You can go back and check your reading, Capricorns. December wasn't fun for you, so you will find relief. And I see career wise, you will have more opportunities and breakthroughs. And even in communication, even in partnerships, celebrations, friendships are coming. Let's see, Capricorns, your love life for January. Your cards are jumpy. I think you're very excited. Capricorns. Alright, Page of Wands, something exciting is coming. Yes, Five of Wands. Eight of Cups. Ooh. Capricorns, the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. Lot of people are important. The Knight of Swords. Capricorns, a lot of people are important for you this month. Ten of Swords. Clarify. Okay. Oh, the Knight of you see, this is your energy. The Queen of Pentacles, the Pentacles are your energy. The Tower, the Eight of Pentacles, Capricorns, their love life in January. So yeah, I see that at the start you are very ready, you are very excited to move out of a relationship, or you are very sure that yes, you are done with this person, you are bye bye, I don't want to see your face. You're very ready for something new. When you start January, you're like, yes, I'm focused on moving ahead, and you don't want to go back in the past. I also feel that somewhere you are a little confused, like you love this person, but you still some, like, you can't, harmony is not there. There is a lot of fight or arguments going with this person, Aries, Leo, Sag person. It feels like there is a new person coming your way at the start of January, but things may not get along well with this person, or this is the person from your past, Capricorns, coming back. But somewhere there is a fight, an argument, but no harmony. So you are like, yeah, it's better to be away than with this person, because they keep coming in and out of your life. The second week of January. Lot of people are important. Firstly, friends, you are not in a mood of relationship in the second week. You are focused more on work, on career, on money, on partnerships. You don't also, you are very busy in the second week, but still love is coming. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or someone you know that you know will message you from social media. They will try to talk to you. They will tell you a lot of things which are going in their life. Your current lover, your husband, wife, or your past lover, they are coming back and they want to talk a lot with you, but you don't have time. You feel burdened by this, Capricorns, that everybody wants a bit of you in the second week. So you feel a little burdened. You feel like, what's going on? And so you will ask for, like, see, I don't have time, I need some time out. I don't know why you are asking this, but in the second week you are like, nah, this is too much pressure, this person wants or expects a lot from you, so you are like, nah, I'll focus on my work, I'll focus on my life, I'll focus on my money, and I'll just stay a little away. So that's how you feel, Capricorns. Even though this person is crazy about you, they want to spend all their time, but they are coming with burdens. They want to put burden on you, or they want to share so much of their problems. So what happens in this mid of January? Yeah, mid of January, this person is suddenly going to come and meet you face to face. I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. I also feel they might meet you on your work or job. If you are working with them, they might come and, like, hey, let's talk, we need to talk. This person is dead set on headset. Oh my god, what am I talking nowadays? Dead set on wanting a commitment with you, and they will message you. Something will happen mid of January, friends, which can be upsetting, or which can be like, you don't know which way to go with this person or in this relationship. They want to work out things with you, but you are not so sure. This person has wants to value you, or I also feel like this person could be in third party, or like, family and friends are affecting this connection with your connection, Capricorns. So mid of January, expect some fireworks, expect some sudden things to happen. So yeah, but it will be good for you because you will realize who is with you and who isn't. So you will get to know that. And the end of January is very nice for you. You will find more harmony, more happiness, more peace in this connection. And you see this, your family will also be around you. You will spend more time with family, friends, and with this person, your lover also. They will be more giving and loving, and they will be also more patient, which is quite new for you because they have been a little fireworks. They have been a little volatile this month, but now at the end you can count on them for peace, for love and affection. So woohoo, fiery, fiery, fiery month for Capricorns. Let's see some advice, then work and career. Advice for our Capricorns. Yes, success is coming, friends. You will be successful in this relationship or in your love life, and you will move out of trouble. If you feel like someone is trouble, I know you were trouble when I saw you. I just mixed the lyrics. I knew you were trouble when I saw you. That's the way it is. Like, this person, you think like, oh my god, they are trouble, they are coming. But I think you will be able to resolve it. Don't worry. Disruption, see? The tower. The tower is coming again. Friends, something is changing big time in your love relationships. Maybe the way you understand love is changing. Maybe if someone was married, they are breaking free and coming towards you. Maybe you both were in long distance and things weren't working, so you both start to, like, yes, it is time to move in together, or like it is time to meet face to face. So a lot of big changes are coming. Get ready. And I don't usually sing. In fact, I never sing, and I just sang for you. So friends, it's big. It's not usual. Eight of strength, the power. You're very powerful, friends. This is a very powerful connection. You have the Chariot, you have the strength card. This is a very strong relationship, and you can move ahead. You can count on it. The waiting game. Look at that. Yeah, divine timing is at work in your life, but things are about to get better. Don't lose hope. Let us see your career. Capricorns, your work, your career, education in January. Ooh, the moon, the Six of Swords in reverse, the Seven of Cups, the Moon, and the World. Yeah, you are, very committed to your work. You're very committed, friends. You're very, very into your work. Some celebrations regarding your work, your career, or education are coming. I also feel some of you want to desperately travel, or you want to travel for schools or colleges, or you want to go back, but you can't. I don't know why, but you can't. Maybe because of the world situation you can't. So that may affect your work. I mean, like, not like it will affect your work. You can work online, but it will affect the way you feel. It is like, I feel restricted. So that way is there, but I think you will be fine. There will be choices in your work. Some of you may be deciding to choose or change your career this month, or some of you are thinking what would be if you change your career, what will be if you change your education, if you change your city. There is a lot going on. Some of you are also very, very creative this month, so use your creativity, find some creative solutions, breakthroughs. You are very connected to spirit, Capricorn, so use that. Messages are coming to you, so they are divine sent, so count on those intuition, count on your messages which are coming, divine signs. You may feel like something you want, a career, a job, or maybe a degree, or some permissions you need, they are out of reach for you, but I think you will be able to achieve it. Look, Page of Swords, working online, or online informations, online contacts, they are all very important for you, Capricorns. Yes, listen to that. And don't try to do too much in January, because it will frustrate you. If you are trying to push against, there is divine timing at work, in your career, money, and your education. So you if you want to travel and it's not happening, don't force it. If you want to if you want a plan, like you made a plan to meet somebody, or for a business meeting, and it's not happening, don't force it. There are hidden things, hidden blessings. The delays are working in your favor. So Capricorns, don't push too much. Let's see some advice. Advice for Capricorns. The universe has a lot of messages for you. It is the World card, so yeah, the world is your oyster. This is your home. Don't worry. You stay, enjoy this time. Focus on the global issues, focus on loving, focus on embracing this, focus on global things. Look at this, the crown chakra. I do feel that you will connect with spirituality, meditation. Some of you may start doing readings, or moving closer to Reiki, meditation. Maybe you are learning about clinical dietitians, holistic food, healing, Reiki. All those things are very important. Love begins. Yeah, you're falling in love with your career once again. And for some of you, this may be a new career, or new ideas coming, or new people which will help you to expand your career, your work life. Any other final messages for Capricorns? Okay, let's see. Mountain road, you are on the road to success. Yep, success is coming for you, friends. Mule, someone is behaving stubbornly and unwilling to change. Yeah, if you expect others to change this month, you will be disappointed, Capricorns. But if you are the one changing or embracing the change, you'll be very happy, Caterpillar. Things will not always be this way. A positive change is coming. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. You are missing someone from the past. February is important for some of you. We keep the months here. February, owl, good advice from a wise person. Yeah, I do see you might get a tarot reading, astrology readings, or you might check your horoscopes or visit our channel more, because you are very connected to spirit. Star, guaranteed success. September, so February and September are important. Nest, emotionally secure, loving family is important for you. Money path related, or path regarding money is opening for you. Shark, take care of, there will be loss of material wealth. So yeah, you need to, even though money is good, looking good in January, just take care of it, because there are You might invest for traveling, but then the travel plans get cancelled and you can't get a refund. So that kind of a money loss is there. So don't buy your tickets, friends. Please, for God's sake, don't. I don't see, maybe in you or buy tickets, or buy things which where you can get a refund. Go for that way. That's the best. May is also important. February, September, and May. And teapot friendships with someone of the same sex are important. So happy month. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.